MacVoicesTV at Macworld 2010 is sponsored by Data Robotics, the makers of Drobo and Drobo S, the world's best data storage experience.
Hey Chuck, it's great to see you at the San Francisco SuperMeet. San Francisco. Thanks for being with us.
If you want to adjust the zoom, you can just use your mouse and zoom up and down. And it shows right there how much zoom. Hi Chuck, hi MacVoices. Glad to be here at the Final Cut Pro SuperMeet meeting. Thanks for being here. And we're just showing some of our Final Cut plugins today. So just check into MacVoices and see these great videos that Chuck puts together. Thanks.
Another device is a digital directory viewfinder for the iPhone. So you can select a format, you can select film, digital, say for example if you're shooting on the red.
I think you're right, they're very good. You'll be seeing me one more time. It's okay. No
And so one-to-one makes real size picture
So you can drag this up and down, this changes the distance, and you get an immediate sense of the nearer buffer. So as you stroke down through various different shots.
Hi, Chaz Goldstein here at the 2010 SuperMeet in San Francisco. I'm here with Handheld Hollywood. It's a website devoted to iPhones, the use of iPhones in the entertainment industry, how the iPhone and the iPod Touch can aid in nearly every aspect of film and video production. Got some great developers here today showing off their stuff, some hardware developers too as well. And it'll be a great show. HandheldHollywood.com. See you. There is, but there
Have you had anybody who recently come in your security?
They had an image of it from storage unit. They were able to restore.
So it's more like.
Good evening, San Francisco. Thank you all. This is our favorite SuperMeet of the year. Why? Because we're here in San Francisco and we are in front of you. So thank you very, very much.
This is a searchable, sortable list of popular baby names, popular names throughout the ages. I love this app because not only can you search by name, but you can also search by origin in the country, but it's a great writer's tool. If you have any writers here, imagine this. You are writing about a story that takes place in the 50s. You've got a character who's 30 years old. And you want to name her, but you don't go to a 50s name. You want to go to a 1920s name because she's 30 years old. So you can actually go back in time and find the popular names from any day. Not necessarily a filmmaking tool, but a writer's tool, and that's kind of what Handheld Hollywood is all about, is finding ways to use apps that aren't even necessarily filmmaking tools, but put them in the right hands and they can be filmmaking tools.
If you show some glee and happiness when you win a prize, you will win more than the prize that I announce. You understand that?
MacVoicesTV at Macworld 2010 is sponsored by Data Robotics, the makers of Drobo and Drobo S, the world's best data storage experience. MacVoicesTV is part of the MacVoices group and a member of Mac Level 10.